Here we have a gorgeous 327 Chevelle SS. It's 327 4-barrel, of course, because it's an SS 327. I think the 283s were 2 barrels or something if they had that. 4-speed M21 Muncie. For sale too. It's in great shape. It's a nice kind of red too. I like this kind of red. Black interior. In a rag top with vent windows. So you got a big old red top Optimum battery in here too. Sweet. Here's your 4-speed. Your gauges. And you got your side panels with these, molded in speakers. That's an aftermarket accessory. Sounds great, I'm sure. And you notice like the little thing that pulls out above the speaker, that's your vents. You got one on each side. And of course, below the emergency brake, you have the your high beams, which I always like those better on the floor. I don't know, it's like everybody changes something to have it on the column, but then,
Yeah, and it had like.
And there's no locking ignition in here, nothing. So garbage. Just pull the wheel off. You got to change the turn signal. The floor switch for the. Say you got a problem with your light switch or something. It's real easy, right? The high beams or the switch down there is easy to get to. It's just a few wires. And you notice there's like a metallic in there, a fine metallic. So smooth and slick. These are the cars that everybody loved back in the 60s and 70s, and 80s and 90s, 2000s, 2010s,